Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to send someone straight to voicemail on iPhone. iPhone does not have a built-in feature that lets you send a specific person directly to voicemail automatically. However, you can use focus modes, silence unknown callers, or contact-specific settings to prevent certain calls from ringing. Follow these steps to silent calls from a specific contact using a focus mode on iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Focus, then select an existing focus modes or tap the plus button to create a new one and tap the Custom. Give the focus mode the name if creating a new one. Tap to choose the color of your focus, then tap to choose an icon. Tap Next, and tap on the Customize Focus to open the focus mode settings. Tap People under Allowed Notifications. Choose Allow Notifications From, and tap Add People. Add only the contacts whose calls you want to receive, then leave out the contact you want silenced. Then tap the check button. Tap Next, then make sure to choose Allowed People Only. Tap the check button, then return to the main focus settings screen, then turn on the focus mode. Ask the contact to call you or test the setup. Then verify that their call is silenced and can be sent to voicemail if the carrier's voicemail service is active. Note, focus mode provides a way to limit interruptions without blocking a contact completely. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.